College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mont Alto, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Waynesboro, Greencastle, Wayne Heights, Mont Alto, Rouserville, Marion, State Line, Quincy, and Penn State. Mont Alto. This includes Interstate 81 from mile marker 0 to 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
And my phone recognizes an unrecognized message. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Unrecognized message, you say? Well, enter the bra here.
Term of 2 years.